Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. This go-kart is made out of an old shopping trolley. If you know, you know. This video of cleaning the stairs looks so satisfying. This camper has been converted into a home. I mean, look at that shower.
Вы меня еще подтолкнуть хотите? О боже!
Republic of Gamers has created a gamer phone. Such a cool design. Baby duckling scaring the other ducks away from the water.
Get off my Diet Coke! Stop it!
And that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed and learnt something new. See you next time.